Introducing the last cookie cutter you'll ever need, DuraCut. Here at Confection Couture, we've engineered a cookie cutter designed to outlive that fruitcake in your freezer from 2009. Other cookie cutters are wimpy, like me when I wore this glove to crush this cookie cutter. DuraCut cookie cutters are tough. Can theirs do this? When our cookie cutters aren't surviving the weight of a car, they can be found expertly yet gently cutting through even the sweetest cookie dough. Don't those look delicious? I want one right now. Our DuraCut cookie cutters were developed using space-age materials and manufacturing techniques. And just like my prized collection of Russian nesting dolls, our cutters come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Check out our selection today at ConfectionCoutureStencil.com.